All right, so today I'm going to show you how I maintain my pixie cut in between salon visits. I'm going to relax my hair, mold it, and style it. So I'll show you step by step what my process is before I go back to the salon. It's been about 3 weeks since I've had a full relaxer, and it's probably been about, well, actually it's been about 3 weeks since I had a full relaxer and a full cut. My hair has grown out some. I'll probably go back in about 2 weeks to get it cut or trimmed just because I like it a little shorter just to be able to maintain it on a day-to-day basis. But as you can tell now, it is past time for me to get it done. It's matted to my head. I've been working out, I've been traveling, I've been doing a lot. So it's time for me to touch up my hair for the week because I have a couple of things that I need to do and I need to look presentable from head to toe. When I relax my hair at home, I use an olive oil relaxer. I like the olive oil relaxer because it has built-in protection, uses olive oil to protect the hair from damage during the relaxer process, has a lasting shine, and adds moisture. I start by parting my hair into 4 sections, putting on my gloves, and I apply Vaseline around my forehead and the nape of my neck to prevent burning. Using a flat brush, I start in the back where it's the most resistant and then work my way to the sides and front until my entire head is relaxed. Next, I go in and smooth it out with my hands, followed by smoothing it out with a comb. I want to make sure that each area of my head is fully smooth, and I let the relaxer sit for about 15 minutes and then I'll wash it out. For this process, I wash my hair about 4 times with a neutralizing shampoo until all of the paint was out. Next, I applied a very generous portion of the conditioner, almost all of the pack, and then combed it through and placed a plastic cap on my hair for about 10 minutes so that the conditioner could penetrate throughout my hair. After I wash the conditioner out, I spray the hair with the Cream of Nature Argan Oil Perfect 7 Leave-In Conditioner. I spray it over my entire head and rub it in. This leave-in conditioner detangles and conditions. It serves as a heat protector. It smooths the hair, controls frizz, moisturizes dry hair, and visibly improves split ends and adds exotic shine. To mold my hair, I use the Nairobi Wrapping Lotion. Again, I apply a generous amount to mold my hair. To mold my hair, I start with making a horizontal part at the top of my hair and comb all of my hair behind the part in a downward motion and to the side behind my ear. All hair in front of the part is being combed towards my face. Now for the fun part. I've watched several videos on how to achieve the wave pattern on the edge of my mold. I've recorded this video about 3 months ago and I've gotten so much better since then. But I've watched videos from Makeup by Janelle, Sky Smith, Roxy Bennett, Janae Taylor until I got this down to a science. So the next time that I do a Pixie from home style, my molding technique for the waves will be a lot better. I've learned that the key to making waves is to comb the hair in a circular motion until you get the desired wave pattern. And then place a finger to separate and hold each wave. If you're not using a comb with a sharp wire at the end, I don't know what you're doing, because I think this type of comb is essential if you have a pixie cut, especially if you're trying to do the wave pattern in the front. I love this comb because it has multiple uses. I can use it to make my waves more precise and to lift the curls when I curl it. Next, I apply styling strips to keep the hair in place while it's drying. I sat under the dryer for about 30 minutes and then I went to bed because I was tired. So I think I filmed this video about 11 or 11:30 at night. So I was tired after I got from under the dryer, so I went to bed. The next morning, I removed the styling strips and I'm so glad that my waves were still in place. I sprayed my hair with the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Shine Mist, and then I began curling it. I like the shine mist because it's for dry, hydrated hair. And so since I also color my hair from time to time, I want to make sure that it stays hydrated. I used a mini Baby Bliss flat iron to curl my hair, and I got this flat iron from one of the local beauty supply stores. You can also get it from Amazon. I started at the crown and curled the back of my hair, the sides, and the front. After I curled my hair, I used a plastic bristle brush and brushed the back of my hair in the direction of the curls, and then with a wide tooth comb to comb my hair in a circular motion, and a small brush to gently brush the outline of the front wave pattern. Next, I placed a Velcro open top wrap on to set my hair while I got dressed. Okay, here is the finished look. For the back of my hair, I'm going to get my husband to give me a shape up later, but didn't have time before I left for the day. But this is the finished look. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Peace.